Hi, you guys. My name is Spencer Hartley, and today we're going to be talking about graphic organizers. So, what is a graphic organizer? Hall 2002 defines them as a visual and graphic display that depicts the relationships between facts, terms, and/or ideas within a learning task. Graphic organizers are also sometimes referred to as knowledge maps, concept maps, story maps, cognitive organizers, advanced organizers, or concept diagrams. And then here's just my citation right there. But I mean, we all remember these from school. They're just a really great way to visualize your knowledge and kind of keep all of your thoughts on paper. And like, instead of just in your head, you can look at them and kind of remember, okay, this is your main point, and then these are all of your side points or like things having to do with your main point. And then my idea that I want to be a high school English teacher. So I remembered back and I was like, okay, what are you reading in high school? What's everyone reading? And I thought of Romeo and Juliet. And then that is something you read in ninth grade, or at least at my high school, we read it in ninth grade. So my idea was basically just to put like either Romeo or Juliet in this center circle here. And then when you branched out, like, sure, you could put like their attributes, their traits, whatever. But my specific more idea was to do like their family members, because I remember when I was reading Romeo and Juliet, I would always get kind of confused on who was related to who. So you could put like Romeo Montague in here, and then you could have Mercutio and Benvolio and his family. And then on the other hand, you could have Juliet Capulet and Tybalt and Paris and her family. And then, just do little notes to like, oh, this is Tybalt, Juliet's cousin, just to kind of help keep them all in order. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for listening.